Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the most powerful and the confusing part of N8N. How the data flows through your workflow. What is JSON and how to inspect and manipulate the data the right way. Hey guys, this is Saurabh from simplyautomated.com, and on this channel I create videos around AI automation. So if you're someone who is looking to learn automations or want to create different workflows, then please make sure to subscribe to this channel. So the first step, we are going to understand the JSON and the different items. So for that, let's just create a very simple workflow. Let's just add a manual trigger, and let's add a set node, and we'll add different fields. Like we'll add name, we'll put Alice, we'll put email, and we'll put the age. And then we execute the step. So here on the top right, you will see schema, which are going to give you this output. We are going to see the table view, and then we are going to see the JSON view. So this is the JSON output which you are going to see, and this is how the different items are stored within the JSON. Now the next step is, let's grab these fields and do something more with these JSON fields. So for that, we'll add another set node. We'll put greeting, and we will put hello. And here, what you can do, you can just change this to expression, and then we are going to fetch the name from the previous node. So the output is going to be hello Alice. So you can see this JSON name, which is coming from the previous node. We are fetching the name field, and let's execute this. So the JSON view is greeting hello Alice. So now let's add multiple items, and this is going to make the things very interesting. So what we are going to do, we are going to add a code node. This is just to show you the example of how the data flows. Don't worry about the codes and all, and we're just passing the different fields. See, the output is we are going to get multiple data. We are getting the name for Alice, Bob, and Clara. And now as a next step, let's add some logic, and let's filter people which we are going to get by their ages. So for that, we can use an if node. And what we can do is, we can just fetch this, and it is greater than 18. See it, what it has done, it is passing on the information of the users whose age is greater than 18. So if we go back to the previous code node, we see that there was Clara as well, whose age is 17, but using the if node, we have put a condition that we only need the data for the people whose age is above 18. So this is how we manipulate the data. We use the data, we filter out the data. Also, if you see on the if node, you see there are true and false. So there are, based on the condition, there were two items which were which has passed this condition, which is greater than 18, and there was one false item which is less than 18. So that is why it is showing under false branch. So there are two branches which you're going to get with the if node, true branch and false branch. So depending on this, later on you can modify and keep this data and use this data in the rest of your workflow. So I hope you understand the concept of JSON and how you can manipulate and use the data between the different nodes in your workflow. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And if you got some value out of this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video.